495. One more mysterious number. In my previous video, I told you about Kapraker's constant for 4-digit numbers, which was 6174. For 3-digit numbers also, we have a Kapraker's constant, which is 495. Let us see the magic of 495 with the help of an activity. Take any 3-digit number, say 624, and apply the Kapraker's process as discussed in the last video. That means rearrange the digits of this number to form a greatest and a smallest number, and then find the difference of them. So if we rearrange this, the greatest number will be 642, smallest will be 246, and the difference will be 396. We have not reached 495, so let us repeat this process one more time. 396. Now rearrange the digits to form the greatest, smallest, and then find the difference. So greatest number will be 963, smallest 369, and the difference will be 594. Again, this is not 495. That means we have still not reached Kapraker's constant. So repeat this process again. Rearrange the digits of 594 to make the greatest, smallest number and find the difference of both the numbers. So greatest number will be 954, smallest 459, and the difference will be 495. So we have reached the Kapraker's constant in 3 steps. After this, if we go on repeating this process, we will get 495 each time. Let us check 495. Rearrange to make the greatest, smallest, and the difference of those numbers. So greatest will be 954, smallest will be 459, which is the same in the above step. So obviously the difference will be 495. So I hope you liked this. We have Kapraker's constant for 3-digit and 4-digit numbers, but for other numbers there is no Kapraker's constant. Instead, there is a series of numbers which repeat itself in a pattern. You can try this Kapraker's process for numbers of 5 or more digits and check yourself.